Just out here after learning some new things and looking at rocks in a new way, and there's a lot of interesting ones out here near Dayton, Minnesota. Just, I don't know, 20, 30 miles north of Minneapolis. And this here definitely was biology. I never would have realized that without Mudfossil University. Thanks, Roger. Because I'll tell you what, if that ain't blood, if that ain't red blood, and that's the side that was buried, it's the side where everything settled. I don't know what part of what creature this was, but I know it was something biological before it got petrified and the transition metals in the blood. It is true. Once you start to see it, you can't unsee it. I mean, this isn't just glaciers and sediment and whatever they tell you. This was living tissue. That's blood. There's spots where you can see arteries, and depending what it's around, when it was in some kind of a saltwater boil flood, it happens different ways, but that is red blood on that side. I mean, this camera doesn't even do it justice. That was bright red when I turned that thing over and cleaned the mud off. But what first brought me here was I saw this last year before I even knew anything about mud fossils, and I just thought it was damn interesting. I had been into old world architecture, Tartaria, that type of stuff, and I don't know, I just started looking at things more. But now I'm looking at this thinking, what the hell is that? I mean, that's my foot. I'm a size 10.5, so this thing's big, but it definitely is looking to me like some type of biology. I don't know what it is. Maybe Roger can check this out and give me some input. That'd be cool. But it's definitely is that a looking at it through the camera, it almost kind of looks like a bird's head or something. I just don't know. These were giant creatures. I mean, they were. And then I found this today, and being that I now know about how transition metals and how there was gold in these beings, and it can settle in certain spots, and it's everywhere. Not 100%, but and there's no sunlight to really. That it looks like there's gold over the surface of this rock. It's very hard to tell in the camera. You can kind of see though. It looks like it's all throughout on this side. It looks like gold to me, and it's very soft. I know gold is malleable and soft, and I can poke into spots, and it's like gold. I mean, I'm gonna look into that a little further. I'm not sure, but it definitely looks like it's. It could be something else, but